Welcome to Boop Rhymes. Let's sing, smile, and giggle together. Giggle, boop.
A is for alligator, snappy and green. B is for bear, the cuddliest you've seen. C is for cat, climbing up a tree. D is for deer, so fast and free. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, who sings a song. G is for giraffe, so tall and high. H is for hippo, splashing nearby. I is for iguana, sunbathing slow. J is for jaguar, ready to go. K is for kangaroo, hopping with glee. L is for lion, the king you see. M is for monkey, swinging on vines. N is for newt, who wiggles and shines. O is for owl, wise in a tree. Q is for parrot, squawking with glee. Q is for quail, quiet and small. R is for rabbit, who bounces like a ball. S is for snake, slithering by. T is for tiger, with a roar to the sky. U is for uriel, with twisty horns. V is for vulture, flying at dawn. W is for wolf, who howls at night. X is for Xerus, a squirrel so bright. Y is for yak, with the shaggy coat. Z is for zebra, who trots like a boat. Come along, kids, let's sing once more. The jungle